This is a video to show how you would make a stem plot from the carbon dioxide data that is in the written assignment for Unit 1, Module 1. So what I've done is I've set up already my stems. Remember, the part that's on the left is the stem. And then there's a line between the stems and the leaves. And I've set up my stems as being the number before the decimal point. And my leaves are going to be what comes after the decimal point. And you usually want to write something on your stem plot that would say like 9/5 equals 9.5. So that people understand that's what it means. Because it always means something a little bit different depending on the data you have and what your needs are. And then you just go through the data. The first one is Algeria, it's 2.6. So I'll put a 6 there. The next one is Argentina, it's 3.6. Then Australia is 18.4. I didn't put enough on here. You should have it then 18 and 19. I thought it ended at 17 when I made this. So you'll want to have an 18 there that you'll put the 0.4. The 0.3 is going to go up here. Okay? 17.0, you do want to put that 0. You have to have it because otherwise you have nothing to show that you had a single data point that was 17.0. And you'll go along and you'll keep adding numbers on the leaves until everything's represented. Again, you don't want to do what I did and stop at 17. You want to need to, for this data, go to 19. Once that's all done, then you take this leaf portion, okay, and you want to make sure that those are in numerical order. So you'll switch the order if you need to. Like for instance, when I put in Egypt here, I'll have a 0 for Egypt, and those are out of order. So when I was done with everything, I would go back and I would switch it to the 0 came before the 6. And that's basically how you would create the stem plot for this. So here you can see I finished the stem plot without yet putting the numbers in order. And I did that because I want to show you what it looks like finished, how you can see the shape and the spread of your data. You can see where the skewness is in your data. You can see potential outliers. You can see all of that before you order the data. It's just a fully done stem plot would have ordered data. By ordered, I mean in order. So I'm just going to order one of these for you. Like this one, the 9, this should be, instead of 953, it should be 359. Because that's the numbers in order. Okay? And you will notice that I also added down here the legend that says what each one represents.